Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm going to start off with the dollar. You can see on the weekly chart so far it's churning over. You can see the rounded top. Daily's coming into support, closing below the EMA 8. Daily also, we got the tri-tips, three tops, the wick, all pointing up, signaling a downturn. It's also closing below previous highs. So far on the, I was looking at this 4-hour chart. You can see the breakdown. You can see the reversal bar, bearish retracement back into resistance and coming back and off. That was your best short, but we'll see if it'll hang 10 or break down. But that hammer has to be taken out. Same with the index. 10-year Treasury, it's turning over. Nice falling star. Coming back inside. It's a nice rounded top. It's got a big old gap to cover. Let's see how far it'll come down. It's got a couple gaps. So far for the week, it's opening way down. Looks like a rounded top again. Let's see what happens. S&P coming down for the week so far. Coming back into support. So far so good. Got plenty of support all the way down. So we'll see what happens, how far it wants to come down. But again, we got a rounded top. Let's see. Short term. Still has support. Looks like a bearish encompassing pattern. If I can find the one chart. Looks like a gap up and open in. See what happens. Then a bearish piercing pattern, that right there? I'm not sure. Looks like it. Dow Jones, same little thing going on. So it opened up, closing, and then closing back in, opening down. Looks like a bearish move, like a extended move. But it did close on its high, so I'm not sure what's going to happen here. It's coming off support. Let's see if it'll U or break down. Looks like it closed on its high and then opened down for the next evening. I'm not sure what's going on. There it is on the hourly. You got falling star here. Bearish encompassing. Looks like a bounce for now on the hour chart. Looks pretty bearish. It's got to break this point. It's going to come crashing down. Let's see what happens. For the week. Plenty of room on the way down. Dow Jones. Let's see. It's like the same little thing going on. Let's check that hour chart. Yep. Looks like they opened down. It's going to continue down. Looks like that was the end. Extended bar. Let's see that one more time. Same little thing going on. Some kind of close on their high, and then all of a sudden it just gapped down on the open. The next candle. Pretty bearish move. See what happens. NASDAQ. See if NASDAQ's doing any better. So they break outside the pattern, coming back into support. Looks like it's doing another rounded top here, lower high. See if it wants to come all the way back into the support. The other side of the pattern. It's bearish for now. It's got a lower high. Watch for previous low breaks. Do have support here, here. So let's see if it battles it out and breaks down. Pretty volatile. Here's crude. Nice 3-bar pattern. Came back, accumulation here. Bounced. Came back all the way back into support and came out of it today. Pretty nice. Still on a tear from 3 weeks ago. Got a reversal bar here. Let's see, it hasn't confirmed anything yet, but what it did do is opened it down and then moved all the way back through it. So no confirmation on that bearish retracement move, as it broke down and then bearish retraced back into support or resistance. So let's see if they take this reversal bar out on crude. It's like if it's squared off at 50. Let's see if it'll break off and run. Take out that triple top, the double top, including this reversal bar. It's going to take it out. Coal. Let's see if it's doing any... Nothing so far this week. It's a little flat. Put in a slightly higher high, I guess. Nothing going on yet. Came back into support and bounced pretty good. It's got a double top though. It needs to take it out. It's got support on this double top here. Gonna take out the double top here, and then again for a nice flat top break. Looks pretty bullish. See what happens. Could be just turning over again and coming back into the support one more time, but I'm gonna keep watching. It's working off higher lows all the way up. It's got a little rounded here, but it could do a flat top and extend all the way into previous lows. See what happens. Shanghai. Looks like a falling star. Not exactly how it wants to be, but pretty close. Same kind of dimensions. Ran up, closed in on a top. And then we have this little thing running. It did close the gap. Running in a nice spinning top for the week so far. Nikkei. Looks like it's doing the same thing. Kind of opened up and closing in. And another falling star. Look for a previous low break on Nikkei. Could be the end of it. It's a nice round. It's not a more so a consolidation back and forth. It's more of a round. But we'll see. Anything could happen. Gold. So far we're not doing too well today, but we have a run up. Came all the way back into the support, and we're running up again. Pretty good signal for a bottom. So let's get above 50% of the previous candle into previous lows, see if we can consolidate a little bit, go up, hit the other resistance, come back to an opposing point and run with it. Gold could be a good week for gold, closing out the month. Let's see where we're at. So far so good for the week. Let's get 50% of this previous candle and start consolidating above previous highs. Or previous lows. That's where we need to be. For the month, bouncing off the EMA what is that? The 3, right? Oh, that's the 13 still. Oh, I was thinking of my other. Never mind. Bounce. Stretch it really, really far. Across the 34, came across the 34, bounced off the 13. Let's see if we can get above $12.25 for the month. $25. See if we can run up. $25. That's what we need for the month. Close out the month. Let's see, where are we? 4-hour chart. Let's see if we're bullish. 25 bucks. Look for a flat top break. Breaking in the previous lows, that's only good to give us the 12. Previous lows. Looks like we got to get all the way up here. Got a lot of work to do. We've got 2 days to do it. I think we can do it. Sounds good. Silver, same thing. Here's a 4-hour chart. Reversal. Ran it up. Came back down in support. Now we're trying to make another run. I'm gonna watch that dollar come down. And watch gold and silver run. Copper was doing okay too, I think. Let's look at where we need to be for the week. Nice 3-bar pattern working. See if we can take out the previous highs, break into previous lows. That's a lot of work to do. For the month, though, we need to get above the 34 for a nice bounce. So $40, 40 cents for silver. Get above here. Get above the EMA 8 for the month. That would be awesome, but we'll see what happens. Let's take another look at the shorter term. That looks pretty bearish right there. That nice bearish flag. The hourly chart. That longer term looked a lot better. 4-hour chart. You can see that U off of support. Reversal. Coming across the 34. Back into the 34. Now we're bouncing. Need to get above 1684. Break previous highs. Dang it. Copper. Copper came down. I thought copper was gonna run. Let's see what we're doing. Look at a little reversal bar so far, a little spinning top. There you have it. Almost a falling star. Another top. Let's see if it holds support or comes back into previous patterns. Precious metals got a lot of work to do. GDX. See that bounce. Nice. Needs to break into previous lows. GDXJ looks good. Needs to break it into previous lows. JNUG, same thing. Nugget, same thing. What is a Bitcoin doing? It's coming down, bouncing, making a hammer off the 34. Needs to take out that top. Maybe a bounce off the 34 and a bearish retracement, and then a backdrop. Let's see. I don't think I have anything else. Everything did pretty good. Could do better. But it's a start of a bounce, and we'll see where it goes. Hopefully... Hopefully we can get silver to bounce more. We need to get up in this area. Silver has a lot of work to do. Silver's explosive though, so previous low is 1250, or gold has a lot of work to do. It's got to get into 1250 range. Silver's got to get into the above 17. Definitely above 1850. That's all the way up here. Lots of work to do. Good start for the week, but let me know what's going on out there, guys. Thanks for all the subscribers. Lots of new subscribers last month. I was surprised. Close to 100 new subscribers, which is pretty good. So I hope you enjoy the videos, and let me know what's going on out there. I'll see you.